Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Anne and today I'm going to show you how to make a card using my Cricut machine. So here I'm on my PC and this is my design space, my Cricut design space. I am using a Cricut Explore Air 2 and this is what you're going to do once you click in. Guys, I had my design already installed, so I'm just going to click and customize it. You can do this on Google. You just download a template and download it in PNG and then you have it uploaded on your Cricut design space. So this is what I'm doing. I'm going to upload that on my canvas, and then as you can see guys, I have these two lines that I'd like to remove, but this is a picture, so I'm gonna find the easiest way, and the best way is to click on that image and then contour that. So you can see the many options. If you want to contour something and have it gone, this is the best way. So we're going to click on the first line and click on the second line and you will have them gone, as you can see. I find this easiest if you're uploading a picture that you haven't created on design space, and it works magic. So the next thing guys, I'm going to adjust this and make sure it's in the right size that I'd like. If you haven't subscribed guys, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate that. Our design is ready and now we're going to click on to make it, and we're going to set up our Cricut. So we have it on the mat. So I'm using the small mat, and we just want to make sure it's within the margin, and go ahead and click that. This is my Cricut Explore Air 2. We're going to go ahead and open that. It's a really nice machine. I love it. And then we're gonna go ahead and connect our cables onto the machine and my computer. We're gonna go ahead and set our material onto our mat. I'm using a light cardstock for this. And then next, my computer will tell me that everything is set, and what I'm gonna press on my Cricut to get started. So I'm setting up my Cricut to light cardstock, and then the little light on my Cricut is telling me that it's ready to start cutting, and that's what I press on, and then we are ready to go. So I'm gonna put you on time lapse here guys as my machine cuts. our material is ready to unload, and now we are going to click on that little button there, and we are ready to weed that out and have our card ready. So we're gonna go ahead and close that, and now we're ready to weed out this card. Our card is ready. You can go ahead and try this at home and write something good for your loved one. If you do like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you think about this idea.